Hey, what is up guys? My name is Daniel, and today I am here with a value gaming PC build, as you could tell by the title. In this build, I just went for the best value. I didn't really have a set price range in mind. And again, by value, everybody else says this too, but by value, I just mean, the best price to performance. I don't mean budget, although a lot of people get those two terms confused. So yeah, let's get right into this. For the CPU, or APU, I should say, I'm with the AMD A10 7850K 3.7 GHz quad-core processor. Right now, this is $180, which is pretty insane, honestly. This, with the RAM we went with, obviously, is going to be able to run, Battlefield 4 at 1080p, high settings at 60 FPS, sometimes dipping below that. But that's pretty insane. It's going to be able to run like BioShock Infinite, 1080p, medium settings, get about 60 FPS, things like that, which is insane for this price point. Again, the price point of this PC in total is $479. That's just insane. And this performs better than the Xbox One or something like that. Although, don't get me wrong, the Xbox One has the Kinect and stuff like that, which if you use that, I guess you should go for that, maybe. I don't know. But yeah, for the motherboard, I'm with the ASRock FM2 A88M HD Plus Micro ATX FM2 motherboard. This is $65 right now, which is a great motherboard. It's Micro ATX, so again, you can downsize the case, because in this build, we went with the Corsair 200R, and you can go with a Micro ATX case if you want to. I didn't go with one in this build, so you'll have more room in your case and things like that, but it's a good option if you want to. So yeah, for the memory, I'm with the G.Skill Ripjaws X Series, 8GB, which is 2 sticks of 4GB, DDR3 2133 MHz memory. I almost said 1600 MHz, which is $78.99. Now that's pretty insane. I believe the cast latency on this is like 10 or 9, maybe. I don't remember the exact cast latency on this, but fast memory is extremely important with an APU because the graphics card built into your CPU, which is half of the APU, obviously, does not have its own dedicated memory. I guess it has like CPU cache and things like that, but that's not dedicated memory enough to, supply textures and things like that. So you really need like as fast memory as possible, and I find that 2133 MHz is the sweet spot for APUs. So yeah, for the storage, I'm going to do Western Digital Caviar Blue 1TB 7200 RPM internal hard drive. This has a $5 mail-in rebate right now, making it $56.98. That's a pretty good value. The 500GB version is only like $15 less, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong on that. But yeah, so this is a much better value, and it's what I recommend going with in basically any build, unless you really have to save as much money as possible. So yeah. For the case, I'm with the Corsair 200R ATX mid-tower case. This is $57.99, which is a great value. It was actually on sale recently, but it's not on sale anymore. So, as I said, you can downgrade this to like a Roswell FBM01 if you want it to be Micro ATX. The build quality is not going to be as good. If you don't mind forking out a little bit more money for better build quality and features, and especially looks, honestly, because the Roswell FBM01 doesn't look all that good. So if you don't mind doing that, then you should probably just go with this. So yeah, for the power supply, I'm the Corsair Builder Series CX430 430 watt 80 plus bronze certified ATX power supply. Right now this is a $20 mail-in rebate, making it $35. It used to actually be $20, but it's gone up in price a little bit. So again, you can change parts in this build if you want. So yeah, like this video if you enjoyed, subscribe if you're new here. I post content every other day. Thanks for watching, and peace.